This project has been sitting on my computer for months, not because I gave up on it, but because every time I didn't work on it, it became that much harder. However, today, I am going to open that project back up finally. And hopefully, this is the beginning of building something that I've been wanting to create for a long time. If you've ever tried learning how to code, you've probably been told before by somebody on the internet or either one of your friends, hey, you should learn HTML first, or maybe you should learn JavaScript first, or maybe you should learn Python. Maybe you've been told none of that even matters. You should just learn data structures. Start off with that. There's a million different spots to go. I don't want this to be another website that just throws a bunch of tutorials at you or throw a bunch of random things at you. I want you to actually feel immersed into the website and feel like you're actually being guided through learning and becoming a developer. The problem is I wasn't building it. I was making good progress, then life got busy. I missed 1 week, then another, and then before I knew it, months had gone by. Every time I looked at the project, I just felt guilty. Not because I didn't want to build it anymore, but because I knew how much work and effort was still left to be put in. Honestly, I'm not even sure where I left off on this project. I know I had somewhat of courses built and the shop somewhat built out and bookings somewhat working. I had authentication, but none of these things were actually finalized and pushed through MVP. But a few days ago, I realized something. This project isn't going to build itself. There's not going to be a perfect schedule that helps me get through this. There's not going to be a perfect random burst of motivation that will help me build this project. If I want 10x developers to exist, then I'm going to have to build it myself. One feature at a time, one video at a time, and one day at a time. Bit by bit, slowly building it out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm done waiting for the perfect moment. My goal isn't just to launch another coding platform. I want to build something that people can actually use to become better developers, or some would say a 10x developer. I want to document this entire journey, the wins, the mistakes, the redesigns, the parts where I completely fail and break the whole system, the parts where things actually begin to come together. All that is actually what I want people to see. Not that building a project is just this perfect thing that where all the pieces connect and everything becomes one on the first go. That's not realistic, and I want people to see the real side of what it takes to build a project. But this is still just a thought. So this is where the journey begins again. Over the next few weeks and months, I'm going to be sharing with you the process for building 10x Developer. What works, what doesn't, the features I'm working on, the problems that I run into, and hopefully little by little, you'll see 10x developers transform into what it is today, into something that can actually help people become a 10x developer. It's not finished. Honestly, it's still at the beginning, but that's what makes this so exciting. And this time, I'm going to finish it. If you're following me on this journey of building 10x developers, one thing you probably see me talk about is writing better code, and not just code that works, but code that's readable and maintainable. So if you're just getting started or you want to improve the quality of your code, check out this video right here where I talk about my best clean code tips for beginners. See you over there.